Hello friends, let's start. Welcome to my channel Edu AI and follow us. Today we will learn about AI. What is AI? AI is what? AI, we will see, we will listen in all the content, all the website, all the social media. What is AI exactly? AI is the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, the intelligence made by artificially, like human made. Our intelligence of problem, what intelligence? Intelligence to solve problems. We have an intelligence to solve any problem. Suppose we have to go to the market, we use Google Map. We have intelligence. We have to go to the, suppose, crossing the road, we have intelligence, which car comes, which car go, which bike comes, which come, which are not traffic signals. We have idea, we have intelligence. This intelligence is natural, and the natural intelligence is ours, given by God. But what if the intelligence made by human? What if intelligence made by humans, the human made intelligence is called AI. So let's take an example, daily attendance chart. We have to making a daily attendance of employee, who comes, who not comes, who take half time, who takes the absent. So we have to take an intelligence to solve, to intelligence to do this work. So we take board daily routine, how many comes, how many not comes. So we use AI, code the syntax, code the our programming, and make the intelligence site, make the intelligence website that make daily attendance chart, solve our problem. This is the intelligence made by human, AI. Now take another example, monthly financial reports. In a company, have to record how many financial reports, how many comes money spent, managing. It is the repeated task. So a human made this report by coding and serve AI, and make some problems, make some solution of a given problem, that gives intelligence, that solve our human problems. We don't have to take any lot of time to make financial reports. So we use AI like this. Now now we learn about the branches of AI, how AI distributes. The branch is the core of the AI. We will learn first. We have already discussed AI. Now the subset of AI is the machine learning. Machine learning is what? The some problems we give to the computer, and solution also given in the computer. It means input and output both are given to the computer, and expect some results. That is machine learning. It is different from the traditional computer science. In the traditional computer science, we have given in input and finally give the output. But in the machine learning we we only not input, we have to give input, output. That is both, and after the results what comes, yes, no, how this works in the text form, in the audio form. This is the machine learning. And the subset of machine learning is the deep learning. Deep learning is the neural networks. You can see the neural networks, how neural networks, how the connections of the data connected and solve the big problems, big lot of the problems. We have seen the deep learning in next video, in a great detailed video. Okay, and after that we will discuss now generative AI. The smallest part of the AI is generative AI. You have seen in the social media what is have created some images, some videos, some text, some audio. This is Gen AI. So friends, congratulations, you learn lot things about AI. Thanks for watching. and we will come with the new video. Thank you very much.